knock of wood. Got the hood unlocked, chop with the product good. Opportunist in America, ghetto nigga to be exact. Said I'm all about the paper, my nigga, these are facts. Tryna slow the profits, my nigga, please relax. If I ain't receiving the stacks, then I'm squeezing the gag. Easy as that, I'm smoking weed in the back. Listening close in case I need to react. I ain't just bragging to boast, I'm feeding the pack. Making dollars, the niggas hollering from the sideline. Walking with a wise mind. Pull a brick up the closet and let my God shine. Perfect chronic from high times. Rise and grind, seductive sessions, tie-dye. Chopper can turn the tea and tie-dye. Only red ink. Seems as if niggas angry at us, gon' need to shrink. Cause one of these pussy niggas that bleed in pain. Like the Panther, like the anthrax, and I be getting the answers. Cutting these niggas off like a cancer. Yo, started off as a soldier and watch a snowball turn to an avalanche. You wondering how I did it, I'm that advanced, yo. I hopped up on the Yola when I had the chance, son. And crossed the waters like a G. And yo, motherfuckers ain't fucking with me, son. I rode the ship across the street. Now it's mansions, yachts, fly jewelry, yo. And yo, this mansion out of Airbnb. Got niggas down to creep with me who do it in secrecy. Building regards from a deeper tree who pull the life out of East Green. Reach supreme, pulling off in the Jeep and free. Niggas ain't even trying to beef for me at all. You probably gon' see him fall. My genius Howard Harbor, the Seton Hall. He can call him like beast in the brawl. Cut his feet for a piece of product, even see niggas crawl. Hide the cream in the walls. Ain't bringing morsel into the kitchen. Now you expect me to eat with y'all. Fuck's wrong with you niggas, man? Son, I make a call and get your dudes whacked. Move back. I be on the internet, pitch music like it's a new crack. Who is that? Couldn't be none other than that nigga they call Super Knack. Ass around, only damage is what I do to tracks. Where the fuck you niggas getting off for thinking that you can rap? You ain't got the manpower. Niggas is damn cowards. We ain't asking for shit, my niggas demanding hours. Rolling up a couple grams sour, put my hands in the flour. Getting the suntan and brow with a Dade County man of the hour. Bringing shorty with me into Japan and wow. Whoa, I started off as a soldier and watched a snowball turn to an avalanche. You wondering how I did it, I'm that advanced. Hopped up on the Yola when I had the chance. And crossed the waters like a G. Motherfuckers, you ain't fucking with me. And yo, I rode the ship across the sea. Now it's mansions and yachts and fly jewelry, nigga. Hey yo, una vaina bien superior.
Y el que pueda llegar, que llegue como pueda y eche para adelante y progrese y ayude a su familia. Ya lo sabe. Orgulloso me siento.